Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-450 Platinum. Coming in this nice white coloring. This vehicle is going to be coming in that 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has the dually body style, has the FX4 Off-Road Package, as well as the camper package. Taking a look at the back here, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, Bedliner with the tailgate step, side bed steps as well. You got the dual rear wheels as well, with a lovely gripped deployable running board that will go up when you close the door, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors that are all powered out, blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light spotlight indicated, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we got recovery hooks, log heater, front view camera, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of room in the back with your seat fully in the back. You do get carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, upgraded B&O sound system with flat fold storage system. You do get cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, the ability to fold that little seat down for cup holders and storage. Got the Platinum logo right there as well, with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we do get powered seats, massaging seats, as well as the passenger. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Power folding mirrors. Memory seat for up to 3 drivers. I'm going to fold that back out. Pretty handy. We got your lights, tailgate, spotlights, parking pedal adjusters, and a nice powered steering wheel column. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 16 kilometers. We got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media. We got your volume, voice, cruise control, as well as my view. Trip and feel, heads up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we do get tons of storage, more cup holders if need be. You got your lovely little wireless charger, outlets, and it does close. Center console with the Platinum logo. Storage below. You even get a little light down there with drive modes and 4-wheel drive. We got your trailer brake and Pro Trailer Assist with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely 6 Upfitter Switches. You can set up however you like. And a nice powered rear window opener. We also get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, engine brake, hill assist, traction and hazards, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. We also do get a bed camera on this vehicle as well. Keep an eye on all your goodies. You have your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, navigation, search, recent, saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. Here's your massaging seats. Pretty nice for those long car rides. You can do upper, lower, totally up to you. And your features of the vehicle. Running board, Pro Power Onboard, onboard scale, smart hitch, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE06262, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.